Welcome back. Today's video is about Sonax acid-free wheel cleaner full effect. And Sonax is a German company, and I got this from autogeek. It says here, special wheel cleaner to remove stubborn dirt and such as baked on brake dust and other road grime from painted steel and light alloy wheel rims. Also chrome and polished rims. Its neutral pH value ensures gentle cleaning. Wheel coating or lug nuts will not be damaged with citrus fragrance. So we spray this on a dry tire, and it will change color to red as it reacts with iron particles and brake dust. In case of extremely stubborn soils, use a sponge or soft brush to gently agitate. Finally, rinse. So usually I use Adams wheel cleaner, and this is my 22 Ram 1500 backcountry edition. But I've heard Sonax is pretty good on some of the detailing forums, so I'm going to give it a try here and see how it does with my matte black wheels. Usually I use Adams wheel cleaner, and it's pretty good, so we'll give this stuff a shot and see how it does. So as opposed to Adams, which you start out with a wet wheel, stuff we use on a dry wheel. So let's give it a go here. So it squirts out yellow in color. So this is nice and kind of like a day glow yellow. Doesn't smell horrible. I guess that's the citrus scent. And we'll give it a little time here and see if it reacts. These wheels have not been washed in 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm not sure if this truck has ceramic brakes from the factory, because I'm not seeing it when I've cleaned these wheels before. I'm not seeing a whole lot of brake dust. I've only had this truck since November. So see, it's turning a nice yellow. I don't see much red, although with these being black wheels, it might be hard to distinguish that. So anyhow, so we're not going to let it dry. We're just going to let it sit for a bit, and I'll take the hose to it and see if anything, any red stuff comes out. And then I'm going to go over the tire with, after I get done with the wheel, then I'll go over the tire with Adams tire and rubber cleaner, which is an excellent product. Then you have to start with a wet tire on that. Then I've got my wheel bucket with brushes and such in it to give everything a good scrub. And as always, you can see the rest of the truck's pretty dirty. We're starting out with the wheels and tires first, because that's how most people do it. Some people have been saying recently maybe it's better to do it the other way. I don't know. I've accidentally forgotten to do wheels and gone back and done it the other way. I don't know. Wheels are kind of tedious, so I'd rather do them first and get that out of the way, and then be more efficient with washing the rest of the truck. So things are starting to dry up a bit, so it's time for it to get a good rinsing with the hose. Oh, look at the back there. See all the red. So these matte black wheels may not be the best ones to show the color changing effect from the iron and the brake dust, but see, when I rinse it off, it sure comes out red. So it was picking up brake dust. And I use Blackfire's matte paint detailer just to add some protection to these guys, since they're matte in color, not the shiny black like my Mustang's wheels. So, but anyhow, just want to do a little video about the Sonax wheel cleaner, since that's a new one to me, and see what y'all think about it. So thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe and like it, and stay tuned for more, because I like to experiment with different products and see what they do. Thanks again.